Poppy's workshop, Poppy After Midnight, for April 18th, 2019. I haven't been able to get out to the shop since last Wednesday. I've been sick. I was supposed to go see the doctor on Monday. The Partnership Healthcare part of Medi-Cal promised me a ride so I could go get my nuclear stress test. Then they don't show up. My cardiologist really wants me to get this nuclear stress test. I want to get the nuclear stress test. It's down to the point where I'm just waiting to have the heart attack so I can get a nice ambulance ride, because I can't get to the bus stop, let alone stand there. No bench, no shelter. Cardiologists don't want me standing in 100-degree no shade, or 100 degrees below. In my videos, I try and talk while I'm working. I try to give a running commentary, perhaps a slight insight into my thought process. I do this because I've noticed that the best of the YouTube posters working in shops have a running commentary. And the ones who do it really good, like Adam Booth, Adam does a good job of letting you know what he's thinking about that thing he's working on. He does it just right. The really good guys, they give you a look in here. I've been saying that Mirager and Luis Alai should talk. It doesn't matter that I don't speak that much Korean. It doesn't matter that I don't speak any Portuguese at all. I don't speak any Russian. I was just watching a Russian YouTube machinist, and the context and the tone in his voice, especially when one guy walked over and gave him a ration about something. When the guy walked away, you can hear him talking, you miserable goat-loving, in Russian, or something like miserable goat lover in Russian. Anyway, as this Russian guy was trying to make himself satisfied with his setup, I could hear it in his voice that he wasn't quite happy with this. He had to do it 3 times before he was happy. Then he proceeded. That is the life that talking during your video can bring to it, because your camera can't see where you're looking, so you have to talk about it. Camera can't feel, when you're very carefully working your micrometer for the machinist's feel. I see a lot of you guys, they're not playing with the ratchet, you're going straight to the feel. Yeah. So talk. Let your audience know what you're thinking. Good night.